Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off low data mode in Wi-Fi on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the Settings, select the Wi-Fi. Then in the Wi-Fi first, you need to turn it on to enable the other options. Then after that, go to the Wi-Fi networks which you are connected. For example, the ZTE 2.4G. Then click this and find the low data mode. As you notice, there's a switch button on the right side of the low data mode, and all you have to do is just turn it on to enable. When the low data mode is on, it helps to reduce your iPhone data usage over your cellular network or specific Wi-Fi networks you select. When low data mode is turned on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. And if you want to disable the low data mode, all you have to do is turn off again the switch button. And it is now disabled. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off low data mode in Wi-Fi on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.